You've most likely heard about the FDA, which is the Food and Drug Administration, and they're also the agency that approves new medical devices. Well, recently, 20 FDA employees were fired out of nowhere, and a lot of them are from the department that reviews brain transplants. And this is significant because Neuralink, which is the brain chip company owned by Elon Musk, is in the middle of a trial for a device that could help people with paralysis control devices using only their thoughts. And these employees that were fired were directly involved in reviewing this new project from Neuralink. These individuals were experienced professionals and almost veterans in the field, if you want to call it that. They make life or death decisions about whether devices like Neuralink are safe for human trials, so when these employees all get fired out of nowhere, it does raise some concerns. And when you lose experienced staff members, then the approval process for these devices slows down drastically. There's also other companies who are trying to help paralyzed people walk again, but if the devices that enable these things are delayed, then it ends up being a pretty big inconvenience. But outside of that, the timing of these firings is also something to think about. Elon has talked about how he wants to cut government spending, including agencies like the FDA. So what if this was about cost cutting instead? Or maybe these firings are part of a bigger push to make it easier for companies like Musk to get their products approved. We don't know right now, but the idea that high-level business CEOs can impact government decisions is definitely something to think about. For now, Neuralink will continue pushing forward with human trials, but number one, can the FDA do its job while it's understaffed? And number two, can we trust that these medical trials are actually being reviewed carefully? When you have less experienced members reviewing these devices, what if some important components are being overlooked, something that might cost lives later down the road? Right now, the FDA's ability to do its job well matters more than ever. Thanks for watching.